So at present it is manual. So manual, what happens? You are having limited resources to advertise it. Only newspapers. Everybody may not use it. There is a national and international tenders, right? So what happens that people are not much aware about what is the exact requirement of the government. So competition is less. So where competition is less, government has to pay some more amount also. So after this application, everything will be open to everybody. A smaller person, he need not come to that particular department. He can just log into a computer, internet. He can see what are the tenders plotted, what are the terms and conditions, and he can just directly log in and he can see all the information. He can bid it. Total transparency normally people will get. And I think Piyush is the better guy to explain it.
See, basically what the thing is for this application is, there are so many benefits, right, for online tendering. The major are the transparency, the fair play. More competitive bidding you will get. From each and every corner of the world, like the people can participate in this online tendering. The second is, you are anyway, at the end of the day, you are saving the cost, right? In the offline process, like they used to prepare all the tender documents and everything, like the hard copies and everything. But on the system, like there is nothing like hard copy. Everything is available on the system. Whenever you want, you can get it, right? You can download it at any time. And the second thing is, there is transparency. The site is, like a foolproof, secure thing, right? So no one can see each other bids. So that is the main purpose of this EGP.
Basically, you are trying to implement this style in Bangladesh. Okay, so you said Bangladesh, where you are implementing this software or this
See, all over India, there are so many states, where this application is going on, right? Online tendering. And in the world, the major cities, the major countries, they are adopting this EGP, this online tendering. So it is going on, all over the world.
Our customers, there is a Fortune 500 companies like a State Bank of India and Tatas and every. And India, most of the states, they are using our application. ABC means procurement. ABC means tendering. This is the synonym. In India, ABC is the synonym for the procurement and tendering system. So we are here for almost 10 years in this procurement business.
So to implement this software, you are now training. How many staffs of people you are training at this moment?
At this moment, we are giving a training at two places. One is here, Doha office. Here, on an average, 20 people are there. And at the Sere Bangla Nagar, the CPTU office, IMED office, there is on an average 20 people are there.
So right now,
so talk to those guys. They come from the news media.
But sir, please.
You just everybody.
No, just sir, your presence is more important.
Don't upset this thing. He sent it, recorded and transmitted and all that, huh?
Yeah.
But you also make some plan how to.
Without this, Doha Tech helps. This cannot be so smooth. Yeah.
So, which point you are getting help from Doha Tech? Which point? Basically.
See, basically they are a local guy. They know local language. They are already there in this procurement system. They already developed a couple of softwares for government of Bangladesh. One fantastic software is called Promise. So we are using their talent for implementing this as a local partner, local language. They are their own.
So like you are focusing on language basically.
Not just language.
Even they are expertise.
GS is American, the main contractor, main developer of this software. And is ABC procured from India and Doha Tech are the partner. And jointly we are preparing these software.
In any company you require a local partner. Without local partner you never finish the work. Let it be a works or anything.
EGP is the electronic government procurement. What is done in our country? We prepare this tender document all manually. All manually, and everything we advertise in the paper, and there the time, date, everything is there. But here it will be all round. online system. All electronic.
So Guwahati people basically is the local partner.
Digital Bangladesh.
Okay. Next question is, do you have any plan to implement except the tender system?
Yeah, we got a couple of queries from Bangladesh and through Bangladesh some other countries also. So we are having a couple of dialogue in a pipeline. We see how it get forwarded. Yeah, we are here to grow together. Not only our company, not only country, grow together. This is the policy of our company. Yeah.
Very nice. So, I am expecting